Hi and welcome back to Graphless. In this particular video we will talk about the left panel of design editor in Canva. So starting with the left panel, you can see first the design option here, where there you can see templates option and style options. Similarly, as we chose here the templates option from the left panel, where you were able to access thousands of pre-designed templates. Here also this is a general view where you can search for any particular template, like we have searched for friendship earlier, and you can see it from the pre-designed templates here. So talking about this free version, you will see no crown is here, so this means that this design is free to edit, save without any watermark. And here you can see this crown option. So in this particular design you might have to upgrade for to use this design, and there is most probability that many of the times some good designs are available in this pro part only, so we will see to that. Next, you can just select any particular design. Whenever you click this design, the particular template will be added to your canvas and you can redesign this template according to your needs. So talking about this template style, okay, firstly this contains the font style of your design. Like one is Comic Sans, you can see this Friendship Days in Comic Sans, then it is Titi Hovis, so happy, and this all these text are in Titi Hovis, and the colors combination that are in this are available here. So this was all about the design part. Next is style. As we talked about the color palette and the font combination, so this is all about it. Here you can customize the colors if you want, and the font sets you can choose from. So next we have is elements. You can search for various photos, videos or graphics from this particular element part, which are inbuilt in Canva. Next you can see various options as frame, shadows, line, arrows. You can scroll through circles, logos, shapes. You can see the various shapes. You can click on see all the various shapes available to use. Next we have graphics, some GIFs and all that stuff, movable graphics, and there are collections from which you can use similar collections in your designs. Next we have stickers, here animated stickers, static stickers and all that stuff. Next we have AI image generator. So as a add-on to this Canva, you can generate an image by putting a prompt which you can further use in your designs. Next we have photos. You can see various photos. You can search for photos which you want. Like for example, if we search, we can search cars, we'll get some relatable photos. Again, just look out for this crown option. You might be able to use this photo, but there would be a Canva watermark, so you don't have to use this photo. Okay, next we have is videos, some audios, some charts, tables, frames. And frames is a good option if you want to put an image in particular shape. Okay, there are various shapes available, so you can put your photos in these particular shapes. Next we have grids, mockups. There are also various mockups like this smartphones, some t-shirt, computers, frames and all that stuff, in which you can again put a photo and it will be displayed in the same shape. Next we have collections, we have talked about. So next we have is text. Okay, so if you are a pro user, you can add a brand kit from where the text that your particularly brand uses can be added and reused. Next we have is the default text style. Add a heading, you can click on it, a new text box will be added and you can just edit it according to your need. Okay, next we have is a subheading, some little body of text. Next we have some pre-designed font combinations. You can use these combinations. The same design will be copied to your canvas and you can just re-edit it. Now this element is grouped, so we'll talk about ungrouping further. Next we have is the brand. Again, a pro feature where you can add your brand cake, logos, colors, fonts, photos, etc. Next we have is upload. So you can directly drag a photo or particular video which you want to include in this particular design. You can add images, videos, audios, etc. Next we have is draw option. So this is a good option if you have a writing pad particularly available, or your laptop or PC is touch screen, so you can use this to freely design something, and you can use this eraser tool to erase it. Next we have is projects. So again, a navigation panel. You can access your folders from here and your recent designs from this part. Next we have is the apps. So definitely you can choose from AI powered or non AI powered apps. You can use the functionality of these apps in your designs. So this is all for this particular video where we talked about the left panel of Canva editor. Next we will talk about the canvas editor, that is the center panel. So see you soon in the next video. Until then, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.